Okay, this finish here. So you can click in View VPC. And here, when all the structure of the network, for example, the subnets, the host table to do this relation with the public IP, if net address, this last KPs will be the public IP. I have to get to do this connection with MySQL Server and Azure. So everything is done using the VPC and more, this pipeline of create network here. So next, you're going to use the EMI to create a role and set the right permissions here to make this orchestration go in all this another services here, the AWS, to do this pipeline, to do this ETL. So I will click here in IAM. Next, I will click in roles and create role. So for this role, you're gonna select the AWS service, and this use case is gonna be Glue. Okay, I can click on next. So the permissions necessary here, we're gonna be the Glue, right? So the Glue here, we have to do this permission of the Glue service role. Be careful to not only select the Glue console full access here because it's not the same, right? Also, we're gonna need the S3. In the S3, you select the full access here. And when I speak on this architecture here, you're gonna use in the secret manager. So for do that, I have to select the secret manager read and write. So I will select here. I will click on next. Role name, we'll put it as Glue role. Right. So the description, feel free to set the test to whatever you want. So this is the permissions policy here. I not will add tags right now. I can create role. So we have the VPC right now, and I have the EAM configured. So I can go straight to the Glue right now.